Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend so far. And welcome to a new video on Bonk, your daily. Well, not a daily update. I mean, I covered this the last 2 days, I think. Covered it yesterday as well when we got some bullish momentum, but unfortunately, and that's also what we'll be talking about in this video. Unfortunately, that was not enough. Practically, when I was making the video, I recorded the top because I still remember hitting that 100, that 200 EMA, that gold line right here. And what I said yesterday is that there was a lot of bullish momentum because that was the truth, right? I mean, you can see as well right here that the open interest yesterday gained quite a bit. All right, so Bonk yesterday morning was still quite bullish. But what I also said is that I did not expect Bonk to stay bullish. I thought we would get a little bit higher, to be honest. In the video, I said that I expected us to get up towards 17,500 right here. But I also said that we would probably not break above that and that we would probably drop down from that level. And you can still, and you can just look that up, all right? I mean, that's just what I said. And I'll tell you why I said that as well. And that is for the obvious, or not the obvious reason, but for the simple reason that Bonk, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, which is better to use than the 1-hour time frame, what you'll see then is that the market structure right here is still bearish. All right. I mean, yesterday as well, we were just testing a previous support levels that we dropped down below. All right. So that we got bearish breakouts, and now we're testing those levels. That's not bullish. I mean, there was a possibility for Bonk to turn bullish yesterday if the open interest would continue. But the open interest peaked and it stopped dropping after resistance. So this is just a bearish confirmation, actually. So now the big question is what's next? Because, I mean, some of you might actually not know this, or some of you might not believe this, but I like Bonk quite a bit. I look at it quite often while I'm making these Fibonacci levels a little bit better. I'm looking at it quite often, and I'm always looking at some sort of a potential long trade on it. But right now, I mean, look, it doesn't look great for Bonk. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, like I said, that's a better time frame to use. There's strong support here at this level, right? There's strong support here between 13,500 and 12,500. The psychological support at the bottom and technical support here between 13,200 and 13,500. So the support is definitely here, but we need to get some sort of bullish confirmation. I mean, if we're not going to get bullish confirmation from this level, what will happen is that Bonk will just drop down lower. And given the fact that the market structure right now is actually bearish, I do expect us to continue dropping down. I mean, you can see these EMAs are pressuring the price down, and they're providing quite a lot of resistance. So when you're analyzing a crypto, it's always better to go with the trend. Now, does that mean that that means that Bonk will probably find some more support here because it is such a strong support level, but that will ultimately drop down below 12,500 and drop down below 13,000 and drop down towards this level right here at 10,000. That seems most likely right now, but like I said, does that mean that there's absolutely no chance that Bonk will rally? No, it's just that at this moment that I'm making this video, there's no indication that we will. Because what needs to happen is that the open interest needs to go up, right? And the open interest needs to go up higher than what we did yesterday. Yesterday we went to $230 million. We need to be higher. I mean, we need to be at least above 250 to get a rally and hopefully higher. But just in general, the open interest needs to go up, and that's not happening right now. It's a possibility. I mean, what you could also look at is the volume, I think. Volume is down right now. You can see this is the volume over the last 7 days. It peaked a little bit later than the top right here. But if the volume starts increasing and Bonk has found a strong support level, then there's a chance for a rally. So that's technically also still possible from the current level. So keep an eye on that. But if that doesn't happen, this is the most likely scenario. All right, those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, have a great weekend. Take care and bye.